Welcome everyone to the 5th episode of Magic Frames Birds. Northern Cardinal. The northern cardinal, known colloquially as the redbird, common cardinal, red cardinal, or just cardinal, is a bird in the genus Cardinalis. It can be found in southeastern Canada, through the eastern United States from Maine to Minnesota to Texas, New Mexico, southern Arizona, southern California, and south through Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. It is also an introduced species in a few locations such as Bermuda and Hawaii. Its habitat includes woodlands, gardens, shrublands, and wetlands. European bee-eater. The European bee-eater is a near passerine bird in the bee-eater family, Meropodidae. It breeds in southern and central Europe, northern and southern Africa, and western Asia. Except for the resident southern African population, the species is strongly migratory, wintering in tropical Africa. Mourning dove. The mourning dove is a member of the dove family, Colombidae. The bird is also known as the American mourning dove, the rain dove, colloquially as the turtle dove, and it was once known as the Carolina pigeon and Carolina turtle dove. Blue-gray tanager. The blue-gray tanager is a medium-sized South American songbird of the tanager family, Throppidae. Its range is from Mexico south to northeast Bolivia and northern Brazil, all of the Amazon basin, except the very south. It has been introduced to Lima. On Trinidad and Tobago, this bird is called blue jean. Splendid Fairy Ren. The Splendid Fairy Ren is a passerine bird in the Australasian wren family, Maluan. It is also known simply as the Splendid Wren or more colloquially in Western Australia as the blue wren. The Grey Parrot. Also known as the Congo Grey Parrot, Congo African Grey Parrot or African Grey Parrot, is an Old World parrot in the family Cetacidae. The Timna parrot once was identified as a subspecies of the grey parrot, but has since been elevated to a full species. Orange-winged Amazon. The orange-winged Amazon, also known locally as orange-winged parrot and loro guaro, is a large Amazon parrot. It is a resident breeding bird in tropical South America, from Colombia, Trinidad and Tobago south to Peru, Bolivia and central Brazil. Its habitat is forest and semi-open country. The salmon-crested cockatoo, also known as the Maluan cockatoo, is a cockatoo endemic to the Seram archipelago in eastern Indonesia. At a height of up to 46 to 52 centimeters and weight of up to 850 grams, it is among the largest of the white cockatoos. The female is slightly smaller than the male on average. Red and green macaw. The red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw, is a large, mostly red macaw of the genus Era. This is the largest of the genus Era, widespread in the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. Maluan Eclectus. The Maluan Eclectus is a parrot native to the Maluku Islands. It is unusual in the parrot family for its extreme sexual dimorphism of the colors of the plumage, the male having a mostly bright emerald green plumage and the female a mostly bright red and purple/blue plumage. Palm cockatoo. The palm cockatoo, also known as the Goliath cockatoo or great black cockatoo, is a large smoky gray or black parrot of the cockatoo family native to New Guinea, Aru Islands, and Cape York Peninsula. It has a very large black beak and prominent red cheek patches. Red and blue lory. The red and blue lory is a small, strikingly colored parrot endemic to Indonesia. The species inhabits a single island, Karakalong, in the Indonesian archipelago, although it was formerly found on the Sangia Islands and other parts of the Talaud Islands. Slaty-headed parakeet. The slaty-headed parakeet is the only psittacid species to exhibit altitudinal migration. The species range extends from Pakistan to western Himalayas in India through Nepal and Bhutan and up to the eastern Himalayas in the northeastern Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. Yellow-backed lorikeet. Chattering and yellow-backed lories are great favorites with aviculturists, prized for their beauty and appealing personalities. On the Indonesian islands where they occur, they are popular cage birds for the same reasons. This birding journey never ends. If you like the episodes of Magic Frame, please subscribe the channel.